What if I told you that you could upgrade your brain, sleep better, have more energy, and even live longer without magic pills or superpowers? That's what biohacking is about, hacking your biology to perform at your best. It sounds futuristic, but it's actually simple. And today, I'm breaking down the easiest biohacks you can try right now. No science degree required. Let's go. The first thing you do in the morning sets the tone for your entire day. And one of the simplest biohacks? Sunlight. Getting 10 minutes of sunlight within an hour of waking up tells your brain to wake up and feel alert. Why? Because it regulates your circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin, your feel-good hormone, and improves sleep quality at night. Skip the phone in bed. Step outside instead. It's free, it's easy, and your body will thank you. I know, cold showers sound like torture, but biohackers swear by them. Why? Because they shock your nervous system, increase dopamine by 250%, and build mental toughness. Athletes use ice baths for muscle recovery, but even 30 seconds of cold water in your shower can boost energy and focus. Try it tomorrow. Just turn the water cold for the last 30 seconds. It'll wake you up faster than coffee. Bad sleep equals bad mood, low energy, and zero motivation. But biohackers optimize sleep with one simple trick: temperature control. Your body needs to cool down by 1 to 2 degrees to fall asleep. So lower your room temperature to 16 to 19 degrees Celsius, 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit for deeper sleep. Also, stop scrolling on your phone before bed. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Want an instant fix? Wear blue light-blocking glasses at night. Biohackers swear by them for better sleep. Struggle with focus? Biohackers follow the 90-minute rule. Your brain naturally works in 90-minute focus cycles before it needs a break. Trying to work for hours non-stop? That's a disaster. Instead, set a 90-minute timer when you start a task. Go all in. No distractions, no checking your phone. When time's up, take a 10-minute break, reset, and repeat. You'll get more done in less time. Feeling stressed? Most people take shallow, rapid breaths without realizing it. Biohackers fix this with the 4-7-8 breathing trick. It's simple. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and breathe out for 8 seconds. This signals your nervous system to relax instantly. It's like hitting the brakes on stress and anxiety. Try it now. Inhale, hold, exhale. Feel that? That's your body resetting in real time. Most people drink coffee the wrong way. Yep, even you. Drinking coffee right after waking up spikes cortisol, making you more tired later in the day. Biohackers wait at least 90 minutes after waking up before their first coffee. This lets their body wake up naturally first. Try it. You'll feel more energy, fewer crashes, and better focus all day long. Food isn't just fuel, it's a performance enhancer if you eat the right way. One simple biohack: eat protein first in every meal. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, prevents energy crashes, and keeps you full longer. Start your meal with eggs, meat, or yogurt instead of carbs. You'll have steady energy instead of feeling sluggish after eating. Ever feel addicted to your phone? Scrolling endlessly, checking for notifications every 5 seconds? That's dopamine addiction. Your brain constantly searching for quick hits of pleasure. The fix? A dopamine detox. Take 1 hour per day with no phone, no social media, no junk food. Just let your brain breathe. Do this daily, and suddenly boring tasks won't feel so boring anymore. You'll focus better, think clearer, and feel more in control. What if I told you that standing barefoot on the ground reduces inflammation and stress? Biohackers call this grounding, connecting with the Earth's natural energy to rebalance your body. It sounds weird, but studies show that walking barefoot on grass, sand, or soil improves mood, lowers anxiety, and even helps you sleep better. So go outside, kick off your shoes. It's one of the easiest biohacks out there. You don't need to try 100 different biohacks. Just start with one. The easiest way to change your body and mind is to focus on small daily improvements. Pick one biohack from this video and test it for a week. Notice the difference. Then, stack another one on top. That's the real secret. Biohacking isn't about extremes. It's about making small, simple upgrades that add up over time. So here's the deal. You don't need expensive supplements, crazy diets, or extreme routines to biohack your life. These simple tricks rewire your brain and body to feel better, think faster, and live healthier without making things complicated. And the best part? You can start right now.